What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another friendly reminder. It's your girl Kay, your girl Kanina, back with another video for today. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are reaching your goals and establishing wealth and abundance in everything you do. So, y'all, I'm coming to you today. This video is going to air on Wednesday. So this is my Wednesday video. As you can see, it's still Monday. So technically like it's Monday, but I'm gonna record. I'm recording for my Wednesday and my Friday video so I can go ahead and close out April, y'all. So it is, you know, we are still, manifesting greatness. So, we want to keep up with the positive speaking and the positive thoughts. So, we are going to discuss in today's topic. It's going to be creating positive relationships. I'm going to give you guys some tips for healthy connections. So, if you guys like this kind of content, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, cut your notifications on so that you can get all of my content. I'm dropping content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on this channel. I will also get paid for live shit. I'll also, you guys can also check me out at the Lock Libertarian over on Conversation Rules the Nation. And don't forget to follow my blog if you guys like to read and you want to read um, the articles that I post there. Excuse me. So, creating positive relationships basically are an essential part of a happy and fulfilling life. Whether it's with family, friends, or romantic partners, healthy connections can help us navigate the ups and downs of life and provide us with support, comfort, and love. So, I'm going to give you guys some tips on creating positive relationships and building healthy connections. The first tip would be communication. Communication is key. And we know that effective communication is essential for any healthy relationship. You have to be honest and direct about your feelings, needs, and expectations, and encourage others to do the same. Listen actively and without judgment, and seek to understand the other person's perspective. Practice empathy and compassion. Empathy and compassion are important qualities in building positive relationships. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their feelings and experiences. Show kindness and understanding even in difficult situations. And the next one would be to respect boundaries. This is an issue that arises amongst a lot of us. We don't respect the boundaries of other people. So you have to respect other people's boundaries and communicate your own clearly. And this includes physical and emotional boundaries as well as mental boundaries. Try to avoid crossing boundaries without permission or pressuring others to do so. So, respect people's boundaries. I remember back in the day, people used to, like, when you were fighting, you'd be like, You put your arm out and don't come in my square, don't come in my space. That is your personal space. Damn it, fly. Respect people's space and respect their boundaries. The next tip would be to practice forgiveness. Y'all, this fly is getting on my damn nerves. And then it's a couple of them. Cause like I'm out in my shop right now, and it's like a couple of fucking flies in here, and they are bothering me when I tell you. Okay, anyway, practice forgiveness. You know what? I'm gonna forgive these damn flies for flying in my way. I thought this was a go when it's nighttime anyway. Okay, practice forgiveness, y'all. Forgiveness is essential in any healthy relationship. So, even if you're in a relationship like it's a love relationship or you have a significant other, a friendship or whatever, you practice forgiveness, accept that people make mistakes and be willing to forgive them. Holding grudges and harboring resentment can damage relationships over time. So, and then holding grudges can also make you feel some kind of way. You don't want to hold a grudge for people over people. You don't want to resent, people and whatever it is that you went through. So go ahead and forgive and, you know, keep it moving. Okay. So spend quality time together would be the next. Now, and don't forget that we are speaking about creating positive relationships. So quality time basically is like whatever it is that you do with the person that you're with. You make time to you make time to, to spend it with the people that you care about. I mean, and this could be through different activities, board games, or the games on your phone, or just spending time in conversation. Focus on creating positive experiences and building memories together. So the next would be to be supportive. Support your loved ones through their triumphs and struggles. Celebrate their successes. Be there for them during tough times. Offer encouragement and show them that you believe in them. Everyone wants to um, be loved. So show the support that you wish to expect. You give what you get and you get what you give. So you want to put as much goodness into the world so that you can receive goodness as well. So, and the next one would be to practice gratitude. You always want to be thankful, be grateful, express gratitude for the people in your life and the positive impact they have on you. Say thank you and show appreciation for the little things. This can help strengthen bonds and create a more positive atmosphere in relationships. So you want to always be thankful. Be thankful for everything. Be thankful that like if you're working a 9 to 5, be grateful. Be thankful for that. If you have a home, a roof over your head, even if it's not the home that you want right now, be thankful for it. Be grateful and be thankful for what you have in the now, you know, and take the now to build yourself up for the future. Okay. So the last would be to seek help when needed. If you are struggling with your relationships, you want to seek help from a professional or a trusted friend. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance on or advice, on how to navigate difficult situations because you won't be able to do it by yourself. You have to have someone to talk to, someone to, vent to. You might need to get things off your chest. You might need to figure out where your next move is going to come from, and you can't brainstorm with just one brain. So you have to go through multiple avenues, and um, seeking professional advice would be a good thing if you don't have anyone, any support. Okay, in conclusion, creating positive relationships, it requires effort and intentionality, you know, and by practicing effective communication, empathy, respect, forgiveness, quality time, support, gratitude, and seeking help when needed, you can build a healthy connection, many healthy connections, and enjoy the benefits of positive relationships in your life. Remember that building positive relationships takes time and practice, but the rewards are surely worth it. So you guys get out there and build those positive relationships. If you guys are looking to for someone to speak to, if you guys want to you know, chat or go over some things, whatever it is that you might need to get off your chest, or you might want to, get a little motivation in or whatever. There are a lot of books you can read. There are a lot of groups you can enter, and as me as well. Well, I just started my Telegram, so I'm gonna put my Telegram down in the description, so you guys can follow me there, and we can discuss. And if you guys also want to do a one-on-one discussion, I will be offering my one-on-one discussions starting in May. I'm getting everything wrapped up for April, and so we're gonna go ahead and start up May smoothly. So, if you guys want to go ahead and sign up, or you guys can drop a comment below and let me know, and you know. So this has been another friendly reminder with your girl Kanina. Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.